Make day nights at home extra fancy and romantic with a shrimp and champagne sauce with pasta. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. In a medium saucepan, add the olive oil and mushrooms, then sauté over medium-high heat. Cook it just long enough to release the mushroom juices, letting them evaporate. Remove the mushrooms from the heat and set aside. In the same saucepan, add the shrimps, champagne, and garlic pepper seasoning. Bring to a simmer over high heat. Once the liquid boils, remove the shrimps, then add the shallots and tomatoes. Boil over high heat for approximately 8 minutes or until the liquid is reduced to about a half cup. Now add the heavy cream and boil for 1 to 2 minutes or until slightly thickened and reduced. Add the shrimps and mushrooms to the sauce, then stir to combine. In a large bowl with cooked spaghetti pasta, add the heavy cream and parsley, then toss to combine. Add it to the shrimp mixture, then toss once more to combine. Garnish with parsley and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.